In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect multiple boards in Monday.com so you can link related projects, tasks, and workflows together in one seamless system. If you're managing different teams, departments, or processes, connecting boards is one of the most powerful features in Monday.com because it keeps everything organized and synced without duplicating work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add the Connect Boards column, choose multiple boards, and configure it the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the main board where you want to connect other boards. This is important because connections always start from a primary board. Think of this as your central hub where you want to view or manage related information from other boards. Open that board and make sure you're in the main table view where your columns and items are visible. Now that you're inside the correct board, we're going to add the feature that allows boards to connect. At the top of your board, scroll all the way to the right side of your columns until you see the plus icon. Click on that plus icon to add a new column. A menu will appear showing all available column types. In the search bar, type Connect Boards. When you see the Connect Boards column option appear, click on it to add it to your board. As soon as you add the Connect Boards column, a setup window will pop up automatically. This is where you'll choose which boards you want to link to your main board. You'll see a list of available boards in your workspace. From here, you can select one single board, or you can select multiple boards if you want to create connections across several workflows. This is especially useful if, for example, you want to connect a sales board, a marketing board, and a project management board all in one place. Simply check the boxes next to each board you want to connect. If you need to link multiple items from those boards to a single item in your main board, make sure you enable the option that says Allow linking to multiple items. This setting is very important. If you leave it unchecked, you'll only be able to connect one item per row. Enabling it gives you much more flexibility, especially for complex projects. After selecting your board or boards and adjusting the settings, click the Connect Boards button to confirm. Monday.com will now create the connection column in your board. From here, you can click into any cell under that column and start linking items. A window will appear showing items from the connected boards, and you can simply select the ones you want to link. Once selected, those items will now be connected and easily accessible directly from your main board. If you want even more functionality, you can also add a mirror column. This allows you to display specific data from the connected board, such as status, dates, or numbers, directly inside your main board. That way, you don't just see the link, you actually see live information pulled in automatically. And that's it. You've successfully connected multiple boards in Monday.com. This feature makes cross-team collaboration smoother, reduces duplication, and keeps all your workflows aligned in one central view. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.